This fire safety tip is brought to you by SERVPRO. Smoke detectors are very important for the safety of your home. It generates a loud alarm to warn you if there's smoke. And where there's smoke, there's fire. Check your smoke detector once a month to make sure it's working. Replace the detector's batteries once a year. And replace the smoke detector every 10 years. Smoke detectors save lives, so don't wait. Check the date. This tip is brought to you by SERVPRO of East Story County and SERVPRO of Georgetown and West Story counties, helping to make it like it never even happened.